Thanks. Good luck.
Rob 2, Eric 3, and Steven 4. So you're going to have Joe, going on the tone, and less than 5. Rob, Eric, Steve. When I say that, is there really over what one is wrong and that's what Steve, right?
Uh-oh.
Right now, it looks like Joe Lindgren is going faster than he previously used. Wow, almost faster by a lap. Ooh, Joe just ran a 16.316. How's that faster than he ran with his?
No, it's not.
Alright, 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Joe right now has a 6.8 second lead on Eric. Eric has a 3 second lead on Rob. Rob has a 1.3 second lead on Steve. Eric's still on pace to be third overall.
Messed that up.
And he just moved up into the 18 area in space. Right now, he's only about 4 seconds off the Rob. Previous pace. Alright, 2:21 remaining. Whatever he did taking off the wheel must have worked there. So right now, Joe calls to Eric, Rob, and Steve. Right now, that is Rob is 2.7 seconds behind Eric. On the track, it was a lot closer. .130 remaining. Everything's good, and this is faster. He won't be alive. And then he gets a person in now. Darn it.
This is the worst person. I don't know what it is.
And because that Rolo now walks up to 2, they're down to 3, but he's still on pace, still third overall. Final minute of racing. After this race, we'll take about a 10-minute break and get the next round going. Alright, 25 seconds remaining. Closing down track is Eric and Rob. Eric and Racco is second. Till the end, it was